have a little bit of a different one set up for us today. A special request, if you will. Welcome back to What's in Your Skillet. One of my longtime Skillet heads requested a recipe for candied nuts that can be used on top of ice cream or yogurt. And well, as you see, I did that. And another recipe too. So, no deep conversations today, just a simple voiceover explaining the recipes. Y'all got yourselves a twofer. For the first part, the ice cream. Spice, pear, vanilla, and of course, it's super easy to make because it's a no-churn recipe. If you're familiar with no-churn recipes, they're perfect for those of us who don't have a fancy ice cream maker. 3 simple ingredients that make the base, and you're set for creation of your choice. Heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla. Some recipes will call for powdered sugar, but I realize it's not always necessary. I have several no-churn ice cream recipes that I'm sure will intrigue some. I'll add the playlist here for some of y'all. As for the recipe here, super simple. I started with cooking the pears to season and soften them, and make them taste delightful and easier to chew in a creamy textured ice cream. Simple ingredients: cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and some honey with a little dash of lemon or lime juice. As for the measurements, if you don't know me by now, I don't measure seasonings like that, so please, as always, season to your taste buds' liking. Once those are cooked, and obviously they need to cool off before you add them into the ice cream. Please remember to let them cool off completely. The ice cream part is super simple within itself though. Whip up the whipping cream and add some vanilla extract and mix this medium stiff peaks. Add the sweetened condensed milk and whip it up to combine. Just don't overdo it. Once done, gently fold in the cooled pears. Once again, make sure they're cooled and pour that into a freezer-safe dish and cover with parchment paper, seal with additional covering like a top or plastic wrap. Freeze for at least 8 hours. As for these sweet nuts, I used a combination of walnuts and almonds. My goal was to add cashews, but the way those got devoured, they stood no chance. And because I was only working with 3/4 cup of nuts, my portions for the sugar glaze ingredients are 2 tablespoons of water, 1/4 cup of sugar, cinnamon, and salt. The sugar needs to dissolve completely without burning for this to be successful. Stirring and keeping a watchful eye are key. A burn can happen, so don't say I didn't warn you. Once the sugar is dissolved and the mixture is translucent, add the nuts and mix. Let the nuts begin to crystallize, and then you transfer it to a parchment lined paper. It's important to have the parchment on the paper to prevent sticking. Break up the chunks or don't break them up. Keep them. It's up to you. Once the ice cream is ready to scoop, top with the nuts and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this delicious twofer. Let me know if y'all would try this. Just a little food for y'all skillet.